Welcome back to my YouTube class again. In this video, I'm going to solve exercise 1.4 question number 17. Here we have x value and y value. Then we have to find x square plus y square. Okay. X value, if x is equal to root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 minus root 2, and y is equal to root 3 minus root 2 by root 3 plus root 2, then find x square plus y square. Means we have to find x square plus y square. Okay, solution. See, here we have x value, that is root 3 plus root 2 divided by root 3 minus root 2. Okay, then let's rationalize this x value first. I will write here, rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator. Then let's rewrite here, x is equal to, x is equal to root 3 plus root 2 divided by root 3 minus root 2. In this case, our rationalizing factor will be root 3 plus root 2. Root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 plus root 2. As at the denominator we have root 3 minus root 2. This opposite minus, opposite sign is plus, so it became root 3 plus root 2, rationalizing factor. Okay, then see here, root 3 plus root 2, root 3 plus root 2, they are exactly similar, so just write root 3 plus root 2 square over here, then divided by root 3 minus root 2, root 3 plus root 2. It means we can form a square minus b square. A is root 3, it will be root 3 square minus b is root 2, root 2 square. Then see here, a plus b square expanded form is a square plus 2ab plus b square, or a square minus b square expanded form a plus b and a minus b. See, a minus b, a plus b, or we can say a plus b, a minus b. We put back to its short form, a square minus b square, but a plus b square, we have to expand this one, okay, using this expanded form. Here a is root 3, since it is a square, we will put root 3 square plus 2ab means 2 multiply a is root 3 multiply it b, it means 2, since our b is 2 in this case. Root 3 and square cancel this, and then remain also root and square, so 2 will remain. Root and square, root and square. From here 3 plus 2, root 3 into root 2 will be root 6 plus this 2. Okay, denominator 3 minus 2 is 1, so we don't need to write here. Okay, so why it is 6 here? Because here root 3 into root 2, you have to multiply the number which are under root. These 3 and 2 are under root, so you have to multiply these 2, then we will get 6. So since this 3 is positive, 2 also positive, we have to add this 2. 3 plus 2 is 5, 2 root 6. This is x value. Now let's find y value. Let's rationalize the y value. Y value is root 3 minus root 2 divided by root 3 plus root 2. here y is equal to root 3 minus root 2 divided by root 3 plus root 2. Okay, then let's rationalize here. Our rationalizing factor in this case will be, since it is plus at the denominator, rationalizing factor should be root 3 minus root 2. Again, denominator also root 3 minus root 2. So here root 3 minus root 2 and root 3 minus root 2, they are exactly similar. So just put the square over here. So it will be root 3 minus root 2 square divided by denominator root 3 plus root 2, root 3 minus root 2. So we can form a square minus b square out of this. A is root 3 square minus b is root 2 square. So it became a square minus b square form. A square minus b square form. Expanded form is a plus b, a minus b. Its short form is a square minus b square. Then here we have a minus b square. A minus b square expanded form is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Let's expand this one. Numerator here, a is root 3. Since it is a square, it will be root 3 square minus 2. A is root 3 and b is root 2 plus, since it is b square, or b in this case is root 2 square. At the denominator, cancel this root and square, so 3 minus 2 will remain. Okay, 3 minus 2. So let's continue here. So root and square, we can cancel this. Here also root and square. So what's remain? 3 will remain here, minus 2, root 3 into root 2, again here also root 6, plus 2 divided by 3 minus 2 is okay. Let's write 1 here. So since this 3 is positive and 2 also positive, we have to add these 2. 3 plus 2 will be 5 minus 2 root 6. This is y value. Since the denominator 1 is not significant here, so we don't need to write here at the denominator. Okay, now we have to find x square plus y square. Therefore, put therefore here, x square plus y square will be x value. Here we have x value is what? See, 5 plus 2 root 6. 5 plus 2 root 6 square plus y value 5 minus 2 root 6 square. Okay, this is y value. Then a plus b square formula. A plus b square expanded form is here. We have a plus b square expanded form. A square plus 2ab plus b square. A is 5, b is 2 root 6. A square, we will write a square will be 5 square plus 2. A is 5 and b is what? 2 root 6 plus b square will be 2 root 6 square. Okay, again this plus. Then here this 5 minus 2 root 6 also root square here, so it's expanded form a minus b square. Expanded form here we have a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, this one I will write here plus continuation. A square will be 5 square minus, since it is minus here we'll put minus 2. A value is 5 and b value is 2 root 6 plus b square will be 2 root 6 square. Okay, then let's continue here. 5 square is 25 plus 2 5 0 10 10 2 0 20 root 6 again plus here 2. In this case, see, 2 root 6 square is equal to 2 square. 2 square into root 6 into root 6. 2 square is 4, and then root 6 is root 36, and then root 36 square root is 6. 4 6 are 6 for 24. We can write 24 in this case. Okay, let's write 24 in short plus again 5 square 25 minus 2 5 are 10 10 2 are 20 root 6 plus, see here also 2 root 6 square, as I explained here. In short we will write 24 here, 24. Okay, now see this 20 root 6 is positive here, then 20 root 6 is negative here. We can eliminate this. Again, see the rest is all positive, so we have to add all this. 25 plus 25 50 plus 24 plus 24 48. Then 50 plus 48 is 98. This will be our answer. Okay, so your homework will be you have to write down this solution in your notebook and send it to me before 7 p.m. Let's review once again here before we stop the video. See exercise 1.4 question number 17. If x is equal to root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 minus root 2 and y is equal to root 3 minus root 2 by root 3 plus root 2, then we have to find x square plus y square. The see x value is given here. This is fraction or rational number, so we have to rationalize the denominator. Here we rationalize the denominator. Since denominator root 3 minus root 2, here the root 3 and root 2 is separated by this minus, so our rationalizing factor will be opposite sign of this minus. Minus opposite is plus. Root 3 plus root 2, root 3 plus root 2. It means we multiply both numerator and denominator with root 3 plus root 2. Okay, root 3 plus root 2 multiply root 3 plus root 2. We can make square here, root 3 plus root 2 square, since it is 2 times. Then denominator root 3 minus root 2, root 3 plus root 2. Since their sign is opposite in this case, we just form a formula out of this. Root 3 square minus root 2 square. It is a square minus b square form, so its expanded form is a plus b, a minus b. In this case, a minus b is given first, a minus b, and a plus b is at the last. Okay, but there, see, root 3 is a, root 2 is b, root 3a, root 2b. Then we cancel this and this, this and this. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So we don't need to write here 3 minus 2 at the denominator. But numerator, root 3 plus root 2 square expanded form is here. We have a square plus 2ab plus b square. It means we have to multiply a value, b value, and 2. All these three. Okay. 2 into 2 multiply a value multiply b value. That is here 2. A value is root 3. 2 multiply root 3, and b value is root 2. Root 3 multiply root 2. In this case, see, root 3 and root 2, they are under root. So you have to multiply these two only. Then these two, why we don't multiply here? This is outside the root, so we don't need to multiply with this inside the root, the number which are under root. So multiply just with their coefficient. Here we have coefficient 1, here also 1. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, so it will be 2. Root 3 into root 2 will be root 6. Then cancel this and this and this and this. So 3 will remain from here, 2 will remain from here. Since this 3 and 2 are positive, we can add these two. 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 2 root 6. Again, y value also follow the same process. Root 3 minus root 2, root 3 plus root 2. Rationalize the denominator with the opposite sign of this. Here root 3 minus root 2, root 3 minus root 2. We multiply both numerator and denominator with the opposite sign of this denominator. Root 3 plus root 2. It means root 3 minus root 2 will be our rationalizing factor. So we multiply here. Since it is exactly similar numerator, we just make square here. Then denominator is a plus b, a minus b form. Then a square minus b square. Just we follow the same process as we find x value. But in this case, see here, root 3 minus root 2 square. Since it is minus, our expanded our formula will be as a minus b square. Its expanded form, a square minus 2ab plus b square. What is the difference in this case? Since it is minus, only this and this will different. Okay. In this case, it will be minus. In this case, it will be positive. So the rest is same. Then here we have y value also. Then therefore, according to our question, we have to find x square plus y square. X value is this. Since it is square, just put square over here. Plus y value is this. Y also square, put square here. So according to their expanded form, a plus b square expanded form and a minus b square expanded form, solve that. Then at last we got this 25 plus 20 root 6 plus 24 plus 25 minus 20 root 6 plus 24. So eliminate this and this. Why? Because they are exactly similar but opposite sign. Okay, so we eliminate these two, and then the rest, since all are positive, we add together, and then the sum is 98. So this will be our answer. So your homework will be just write all this down to your notebook and then send it to me before 7 p.m. Thank you.